How do you like that? Let me get a thumbs up if you like that shit, bro. Let me get some hands. Let me get a thumbs up if you like that shit. I made that shit yesterday, bro. Hey, it's a little crooked. Lil Riley's going to show. What's the kid's deal? Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. It's been a long, eventful week. How you guys doing, bro? I'm doing great. I'm doing wonderful. How are you guys? um, is Little Riley the one that says that he outworks everybody? I think so, right? The one that said he was gonna be like some HVAC guy or something like that. You fuck with it? Yeah, bro. To get us hyped for the morning, you feel me? Let's get to the money. Let's get to the money. Good morning, Lofty. How you doing, bro? Morning, Gary. What up? What up? What's up, everybody? Letting everybody pull through. All right, let's write today's game plan. All right. Today's game plan. So, first and foremost, manage risk. Next, 1.5 RR target. No matter what. What is it? Only trade designs. Only trade designs. Do not make, let me put that, or make up a trade. Do not force or make up a trade. Don't make up some fucking bullshit because you FOMO'd out, you miss your entry, It keeps going up. Who fucking cares, bro? Who cares? You missed it. Oh well, bro. It's like you missed the airplane. What the fuck you gonna do? Get the airplane back? No, you're not. No, you're not. What's up, bro? What else? No FOMO. Don't be a bitch. Gotta add in there. Don't be a bitch, dumbass. So I think we got today's game plan. Manage our risk. 1.5 target, no matter what. I already have that set up on my NinjaTrader. 1.5. That's it. All day, every day. Only trade the trade designs. Do not force or make up a fucking trade. If you miss it, oh well. Go to another ticker, see if you can catch a trade there. And don't be a bitch. Don't FOMO out. Don't be a weak motherfucker. If you're anticipating a play, but the trade design hasn't happened, be patient. Don't fucking force it or anything like that. Just be straight. Be cool. Be chill. You're gonna be all right, bro. We're in this for the long haul. It doesn't matter what happens today. What matters what happens in 6 months to a year and a half, 2 years from now. So don't be a bitch, bro. We have data in 7 minutes. No trading first 15 minutes. Oh yeah. Thank you, TMR. Let's write that. No trading the first 15 minutes. But no trading the first 15 minutes. Don't be a bitch. We have data in 7 minutes though, so I mean we're not gonna trade anyways. Alright, so now that we established our game plan for the day, 1.5 trade designs, don't force a trade, no trading the first 15 minutes. I mean, we're not trading till 10 a.m. because we got fucking hella data, bro. Today is probably gonna be a wild day. And don't be a bitch. That's it. That is our game plan for the day. Like the way you lay out your rules. Appreciate it, bro. I have to make it known and state the rules, so I can keep myself accountable and hopefully keep you guys accountable as well. Um, you know, I got better with accountability partners. So if you have an accountability partner, I'll be your accountability partner. If you're being a bitch, I'll tell you, bro. Stop being a bitch, bro. Stop being a bitch. What we got? June 6/21. What we got? Existing home sales and economic indicators. Oh damn, and we have PMI services and PMI manufacturing in 5 minutes. Damn, bro, we got 4 economic datas, bro. This shit is gonna be crazy, crazy, bro. Those swings are gonna be insane, bro. So if you don't trade with a stop loss, you better fucking start trading with a stop loss, bro. Especially with these fucking with this data right here, huh? You're asking for death if you're not trading with a stop loss, bro. And even if I get stopped out or you get stopped out, bro, it's a fucking volatile day, bro. You can't control that shit. A fucking 1 second, we can go long because we got a trade design. We got a break of the 48. We go long. Next thing you know, we got a fucking death candle on the way down. You can't control that, bro. You can't. So it doesn't even fucking matter. Just keep your stop loss and you'll be all right. Gabe going live. It's all right. We're both live. So do you have Super Trend Titan AI on or off? I have it off. Let's see over here. Yeah, I have it off. I took off the show only trend following setups. I'm just comfortable with it. For example, yesterday, I think right here, we got a trade design right here. We got a trade design right here, and if you click that, I don't think it showed. And that was my trade yesterday. I came in and I got a 7-point drop and I was out. So it's all your preference. If you click the show following trend setups, it gives you a smoother setup and more safer. But I mean, I manage my risk accordingly, and I know when to enter and when to exit, so it's all good. It's all good. What was the one trolling on the chat a couple weeks back? I don't think so. I don't think he was the one trolling a couple weeks back. Okay, so we got 3 minutes. So let me do. So I'm gonna trade MES, MYM, and M2K. I've been back testing MYM, and I'm comfortable with how it moves. I give it about 24 tick stop loss because it does have semi big candles, but it's not fucking huge. It's not crazy big. Um, it's not crazy big like NQ. So so far I back tested for like a week, and so far 24 ticks. That's what 6 points. It gives it more than enough breathing room. I'll probably still keep on back testing and perfecting it. Then we have M2K. We're Oh yeah, this one's dying. Yeah, we got the mini Russell. I'm on two monitors, so one has super trend, the other has just trend following setup. Yeah, bro, you can definitely do that too. That is actually recommended to do, and it'll work out perfectly fine. So that way you have best of both worlds. You have a more clear picture, clearer vision. So I have two monitors. So um, well, yeah, two monitors. My laptop, and then I have my monitor up here, which is the ones that I show you guys, and then I trade the other one over here. Super trend is flashing red. Yeah, yeah. I don't. Let me see. Let me put on super trend because yeah, I just recently took off super trend. We can have it for reference. Let me bolden it up a bit because the way I like to see super trend, I like for it to pop out so it can tell me. And I like to shade it in a bit more darker so I can pop out more. So that way I can see super trend a little bit more. And that's probably how I have super trend. And of course I use a traditional RSI, but I'll toggle back and forth between spear strength and traditional RSI. Um, so that's practically my setup. All right. I need to see. Let's take these off so I can trade. No, no, not that one. The From our indicator, I'm talking about. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Um, Super Trend is flashing red. Oh, let me see. Oh wait, is it on MES, bro? Did Gabe give him settings for Super Trend? No, there's no settings for Super Trend. You just put it on your chart and that's it. It's Super Trend. It's an extra confirmation, bro. You don't have to necessarily listen to it, but you can because we trade off of Titan and the 1348 system. Um, but you can have it for reference. If you have color confluence with super trend and your candles are red, for example, here, I mean, you have more confirmation to take the trade, and then you add up the red RSI and red trend thrust, and then you're good to go. On MNQ, uh, 2011. Let me put on the Let's see how it looks for you. Um, it looks the same to me, dude. I just clicked it on, and I don't see any difference. Yeah. Oh, this one, Respect Super Trend. Is it that one? 2011. It still looks the same, kind of. It still looks the same a little bit. Well, I have those off, and we'll have the enable. Yeah, I'm getting the same. Some of them are a little bit different. Some of them aren't. But I have mine's off. I have mine's off. So yeah. So here, there's no trades to take unless we find a new trade design. So we're just gonna wait for a new trade design unless another ticker shows, but we still have to wait for 10 a.m. So all the trade designs gotta go piss them off. All right, see you later, bro. I'll still be here. Well, this one just gave a new trend design on MYM. But it's 9:47 and I'm gonna wait for 10 a.m. So, all right, peace out, bro. Sayonara. I'm gonna still be here. Um, yeah, this gave a new trade design, but like I said, there's a lot of volatility, so it's probably the best to wait till like 10:05 around there because you got 10 a.m. and then you still have to wait for that 5 minute candle to fucking die down. But even then, it's still gonna be extremely volatile. So, I mean, you might have to wait till like 10:05, 10:10 to even consider to enter a trade at all. But we're gonna be toggling back and forth between the three tickers. I added MYM M2K into my bag. Usually I only trade MES. Usually that's all I traded. I traded MES for like the past like 3 months. Well, no, since I started futures. I started futures like in January. So since January, I've been trading MES. So I understand how it moves and how she moves and how she goes. So it's fine. I'm comfortable with it already, so I can put it in my back pocket, and I'm focusing now on other tickets for other opportunities because sometimes, I mean, we can be here on stream for fucking an hour and a half, 2 hours, 2 hours and a half, almost like 12 o'clock. Um, Waiting for a trade design but you can look at other tickers and enter that trade design too. So that's why I decided to add M2K and MYM to my bag. So it's all works in progress. I'm not I'm a little bit more comfortable with M2K, and MYM is moves a little bit more wild. But that's why I'm back testing it. I have like for this whole entire week, I back tested like 30, not 30. I will have to say close to like 20 hours of back testing, just perfecting, 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 perfecting. Um, and that's the only way I'm gonna get better, by back testing the shit out of everything and watch how everything moves and what trades I can take. I mean, sure you can I mean just take the trade design and just go ahead and go, but I mean still the person who puts in more repetition with using the system of Titan is the person who's gonna get ahead. So all good, all good. How was your guys' week, by the way? Are you guys green for the week? Um, any instances where like you're fucking up, like you don't know like what to do, or you don't understand something? MNQ broke the predictive level. Let's take a look at that. It sure did. Let me take off this short support and resistance. I don't need them. I use social support and resistance. Take that off. These predictive levels are way better, and I tend to respect them. For example, this candle right here, completely respected. It, sometimes it usually breaks to the next second go around, but now it's dying. And then, if you would have entered this trade design, you could have exited right here at the level, which would have gave you more than a 1.5. It would have gave you a 2 to 1 RR, which is beautiful. You don't need more than 1.5 or 2. Anything more than that, that's just extra. Um, and you're never gonna get massive moves all the time. That's why, yeah, they are completely solid. I'm still getting used to 7.1 and miss a trade on Tuesday. Um, yeah, yeah. If you're not comfortable with the other Titan, um, like disabling it, I mean, just stick to 7.1, because it's gonna give you smoother setups, Lexi. But in that case, you know, have some other tickers to trade too. Don't just trade MES because, I mean, 7.1 is only going to show some trade designs, not all of it. You know, jump on MNQ or M2K or MYM, and see if you can get a trade design through there. You took it, you're done. Damn, bro, beautiful. What 2011? What candle did you enter? Did you enter the 941? One MNQ out with 35 bucks. That's great. That's amazing, bro. That's amazing, bro. That's amazing. 35 bucks is 35 bucks, bro. To us, to regular people, bro. I mean, I'll take 30. If you give me $35 right now, I'll take that shit, bro. I'll take it. You feel me? You don't have to be, see, less than a minute, bro. Come on, bro. Bro, that's amazing, bro. That's amazing, dude. Congratulations on that. You just, previous one, 935. Ooh, 2011. Why? That's a little risky, bro. That's a little risky. Um, what made you want to take it? Because, I mean, usually we wait for like 15 minutes to take a trade. I mean, congratulations, but I mean, I'm just letting you know. I mean, the first 15 minutes, I mean, you could have been stopped out. I mean, I mean, to be honest with you, you got lucky. You got lucky, bro. Because with like the first 5, 10, 15 minutes, that shit swings like fucking crazy. So, I mean, if you took advantage of that, you saw price weakness. I mean, I understand it. I'm not, yeah, I love our system. Yeah, me too, bro. I can't trade without it. Well, before I say that, well, I understand why he took the trade because we're under the 200. We got red RSI and a red trend thrust. I understand we got a red band and we broke below the 48 EMA. I understand why you took it, bro. You stacked the odds in your favor. Your stop was tight. That's amazing. It was followed red ribbon, bro. Okay, that's good. That's good. Um, I tend to do that too. I also use the ribbon as like somewhat more of a risk. Like for example, candle breaking out of it, out of the ribbon. I'll probably move my stop up on that because that's a sign of price weakness, and I don't like that shit. Um, so oh yeah, speaking of Titan, I was trading because I back test Titan, and I also backtest on Tradeovate, Market Replay, just straight raw dogging Tradeovate. No Titan AI, no trend thrust, just fucking 13, 24, 48 EMA, MACD and RSI, bare bones price action, bro. That shit is very tough, bro. Trading without Titan is very, very, very tough, bro. So I'm very grateful for what Gabe has made here in Titan because it's made my trading easier. It states what trades that you can take and just follow suit with it and just makes it so much more easier. I'm extremely grateful for Titan AI. Because if you try to trade like bro, just take a day of trying to trade with just 1324 48 EMA, MACD and RSI. Bro, it's gonna be hard, bro. It's gonna be super hard, bro. So I'm very, very grateful of Titan. And slowly but surely we're stacking our gains. I mean, my goal is to I mean, unfortunately, I have a prop firm. Now that I think about it, I would have much rather funded my own account. I'm a dumbass. I got a prop firm. I can't imagine trading without Titan, bro. Me neither, bro. I can't imagine trading without Titan either. But yeah, so like I was saying, I trade through prop firms, bro. I'm an idiot. I, because prop firms came in and everybody was introduced to it and like the lore of it, so I just followed the crowd and I joined prop firms and then it's just been downhill. But now I'm steadily coming up. I reached trailing threshold my 250K account. So everything that I'm making now is just for me. Finally, bro. So I can't wait till I get the first $5,000 that I make off of prop firms. I'm taking that and funding my account immediately. So slowly but surely, I'll eventually get to a payout. Just day by day. I just accepted that journey of trying to get payout because I dug myself into a hole, and that's just my L. I'm gonna have to eat that L. It is what it is. Um, but I'm taking advantage of the prop firm system, and then I'm gonna fund my account as soon as possible. Um, and then hopefully with the second payout, I'm most likely, well, not most likely, I am with the second payout, I'm gonna join the Longevity Club, and just have this dude Gabe mentor me, on that, trying to grow my $5,000 port, and I'll grow my $5,000 port, and just keep trading the prop firms at the same time. But of course, it's just gonna have to be different. 9:58. Okay, we got 2 minutes. Data in 2 minutes. All right, so let's go back to MES right here because that's what we trade. So let's see if we're gonna explode up and break the 200, or we're gonna retest all the EMAs and come back for an EMA bounce. Look at the 20-point bounce off the predictive level off MNQ. Bro, 20-point bounce, bro. Holy shit. God damn, bro. That's massive, bro. That's a massive candle. That shit respected it right there. That it respected that predictive level to a T. I wonder if that predictive level is somewhere else too, right around here, right there. So you can go back in time and see what predictive levels are there. So we have that predictive level. So we got 1 minute till data. Let's see what happens. We're gonna stick to MES. We're gonna stick to MES. And if we can't find nothing on MES, then that's when I'll jump into MYM and M2K. But for now, we're gonna stick to MES. Uh, Let me get my shit ready. Let me get my shit ready right here. Yeah, we're coming up. We're coming up. All right, data just dropped. Let's see what happens. Yeah, with that, bro. I know, bro. That's what, bro. That's why I can't trade M and Cube, dog. I mean, to be real with you, bro. That's why I can't trade M and Cube because it's too crazy, bro. All right, so 10 a.m. Existing home sales miss. So, what does that mean? What does that mean? Is that good or bad? I can't even tell these days if it's good or bad. I really can't tell. So, I mean, if existing home sales missed, bro, you can with our system, man. Try it out. What do you mean, bro? You can with our system. Try it out. Try what out? What am I trying? 2011. It was bad, but good for market. Any bad news is good news. Yeah, we came up, so let's see if we can break past all of this. I mean, obviously, I'm not gonna take a trade until the break of the 200, but that's far away, dude. Oh, try out MNQ. Um, one day. Maybe one day I'll try out MNQ. I'll probably have to play way smaller. For MNQ to test out the waters. MNQ is probably is like one of those you know, crazy bitches with some good pussy. Will drive you crazy, but man, that pussy good. um, well, that was very uneventful. It's already it's 10:02 and nothing has. I thought it was gonna be a huge candle. I thought it was gonna be a huge candle. I guess not. Yeah, the only way that I'll trade MES is all the way up here because it's too compact over here for me to do anything. There's a level right there. I don't like that shit. And there's a 200 right there. I don't like that shit. There's not too much runway to trade it. So probably I'll probably do the EMA bounce, but there's no trade design there. So you know what? There's actually nothing to trade. So we're just gonna have to wait for another trade design. Let's see what MYM is doing. Still the same trade design. And now we have Super Trend turning green. Damn, Chop City, bro. That's fucking crazy, dude. There's no trade design. Let's go back to M2K. Um, there's no trade design. Damn, slow day, bro. Damn, bro. This is gonna be a slow day, dude. There's nothing to do. There's literally nothing to do. What did I say in the beginning of the stream? Do not force any trades that are not there. Do not force any trades that are not there at all. Only trade the trade designs. That's all we're doing. We're just gonna stick to the system. Whatever Titan tells us to do, that's what we're gonna do. And between all the tickers that I trade, there is no fucking trade design at all. At all. Right here we have rejection off the 13, and we are, bouncing off the EMAs to get an EMA bounce, rejection, but on the 5 minute it's not showing because Titan's all the way over there. So very unfortunate. Very unfortunate. So I'm not gonna make up a trade. It's just what it is. We're just gonna have to wait patiently. We're just gonna have to wait patiently. And I have to um lead with example. Is that how you say it? Lead an example? Lead with example? One something like that. I have to be a leader. That's my whole point. I have to be a leader. If I said I'm only trading the trade designs, then I have to follow that. I can't fuck up live here when everybody watching me, just doing whatever I want. I'm not gonna do that. We're gonna stick to our guns. We're gonna be disciplined and just trade the system. Eventually, an opportunity will show itself. Eventually. Let me look at absolute lead by example. Thank you, Lexi. Lead by example. Jesus, bro, I had a fucking brain fart trying to say that shit. Let me look at spear strength. Let's see how it looks. It's still looking a little flat. And we have RSI below its moving average still, but it's slowly curling back up to be above its moving average. It came all the way down to oversold, and it's slowly curling back up. The reason that I love the traditional RSI because everybody always asks me, "Oh, how come you don't use spear strength? How come you use the old one?" I use both. Um, I use both. But the reason I like this one better is because I like to see the moving average and I can see MES on 15-minute break 2750. The next level is 1950. Um, I'll look at that right now. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I when I see this nosedive right here, like perfectly like nosedive like that, that's a perfect indication for a rejection of, and then do an EMA bounce play. That's the play that I did yesterday. Let me look at the 15-minute. Um, 15-minute 2750. Why aren't you trading NQ? Um, because I don't know how to trade NQ. I'm not comfortable with it. Yeah, sure, I can trade the trade designs, but I mean, I've never traded NQ before. Um, so I'm not comfortable with swings. You have to be comfortable with the instruments that you're trading with to trade it. I don't think you can just hop onto something and just fucking go ahead and trade it. So that's why I'm not trading NQ. Um 2011, 15-minute 2750. You talking about right here? The next level is 1950 over here. Wait, the next level is 1950. Oh, over here. Okay. Oh, because I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. That's day lows. That's day lows. But let me see. Is there a level here at 1950? Close around here. 15-ish, 16-ish around there. But yeah, day lows is a level. Let's look at what the 30 minutes is doing. Yeah, we're damn, we're below 200. Yeah, we're very bearish, but RSI is slowly coming up. I mean, it doesn't matter. We're still gonna trade the 5-minute. But we are very bearish right now. But still, we're gonna trade the 5-minute, and the 5-minute is telling us a different story. 5-minute is slowly creeping up, right? Am I right? Let me see here. No, not yet. It's slowly creeping up though. As soon as that RSI crosses the moving average, yeah, but it's slowly coming up, and the EMA ribbon flipped to green, and we're testing the 13. So we are switching right now. Let's see what happens. I mean, from the 48 to the 200, that's 53, 535, 42. That's about 7 points from here to there. Do I want to trade the break of the 48? There's a level right there. I'll probably take it. I have my stop loss at 5 points 20 ticks. Depending how it looks, I'll probably move that up to 16 ticks, 4 points. Because there is a predictive level right here and the 200s right there. There's something already blocking it, and I don't like that. There's too much shit going on right here. It's like a 7 point move right here. Um, if I can capture like five, that'll be wonderful. But we shall see. We shall see. But multiple tests of the 13, and it's refusing to bounce off. And we have this predictive level holding us up. So we're trending up slowly but surely. Slowly but surely, we're trending up. Just gotta be patient with it. So now we know the next trade design that we're gonna take is right there. It still has to break the 13. It still has to break this level. It has to break the 24, and then finally get to the 48. So we'll wait till then. And RSI is finally crossing its moving average. And let me see how spear strength looks like. Still red. Yeah, that see, do you see the difference of why I toggle between both of them? This one is a smoother picture of bullish to bearish, and then we have a more right here. We have a more detailed view of what the RSI is actually doing. MES keeps rejecting from the 13. See, I'm looking at it. It's interesting you say that. I'm looking at that differently. This is what I call disrespecting the 13. Multiple taps on the 13 means that it's not well for me. My consciousness is telling me that when there's multiple taps on an EMA, it's not respecting it. It's disrespecting it. And we finally got a break above the 13. Um, until I see a rejection and a bounce, that's when I'll agree and be like, yeah, it's it's respecting the 13. But here, this is a good indication that it's gonna break when you have taps of the 13 and then finally a break. So now we're trending up. So obviously the next trade design will be right there. Let me I have it designed right here. That's my trade. My on my Ninja Trader, I have a 36 ticks take profit and a 20 take stop. But if I'm gonna take a trade design here, it's gonna have to look different right there. Something like that, like a 2-to-1. How many points is that? How many risks is that? That's about 3 points of risk right there. Can you check the 15-minute? Yeah, bro. Just to make sure trend. Um, yeah, the trend is still down, dude. And on the 30-minute, we can't go past the 30-minute. 15 and 30, we can check that. But so, oh look, this is a beautiful example. Yeah, we got rejected off the 13 here, but we keep disrespecting these EMAs. It's not, there's no smooth price action. Price action wants to break, trying to break back above it. Um, but yeah, the trend is still down. But don't let that distract you. You can use that for reference. Usually you have smoother plays when like every single time frame is away from the EMAs. Like I'm talking about every single one. 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour. When all of them are away from the EMAs, bro, you have so much runway. Price action can just fucking explode. But when you're in between EMAs and the other time frames, it will affect it. I'm looking at it right now. I'm looking at it with my own eyes. It's affecting it. But still, you can use it for reference, but you never use it as gospel because our gospel is the 5 minute. 5 minute is our gospel right there. Oh shit. I'm not taking it yet. We got a break above there. This is green. All right, guys. Focus. Focus. Time to focus. So we have RSI. Our RSI is green above. Okay, I'm gonna take it. So we're gonna move our stop right there. What's this? Is this 1.16? That's good enough. All right, so I'm in a trade right now, targeting the top of the 200, and we're gonna see how she goes. So I have 5 points risk. I'll probably gonna put it right here to the 13, 53, 32, 50. Right there. So what does that give me? Almost a 1.5. That's good. That's the target for the day. I know I could have waited. I could have waited for confirmation, but it's okay because I have one more trade. So obviously it's going against me. That's totally fine. If I get stopped out, that's totally fine. I got a trade design and I'm gonna shoot for that shit, bro. Now the question is, did I give it enough breathing room? That's the question. That is the question. Did I give it enough breathing room? Should I have left my stop? I don't know. But we're gonna leave it right there. We got a 1.5 right here. That was my plan, and we're just gonna do that. And that's completely okay. If I get stopped out, that's totally fine. That's totally fine. If we can hold within the next minute, if we can hold above the 48, that would be amazing. I know I front run this play a little bit. I could have waited for the next candle. So I already made a mistake right there, right off the bat. I could have waited for the next candle. Um, because right here it did not turn green. So that's my bad. I should have waited for the next candle. That's fine. I still have one more trade to go. Now the trade design is flickering, wondering what it should do. So we got 50 seconds on this candle. Will it hold? I don't know. Um, I don't know if I'm playing this too tight. Let's see. Yeah, if this doesn't close above the 48, yeah, no. We're just gonna leave our stop right there. It's not closing above the 48. Yeah, this trade is a failure. This trade's a failure. It's not gonna close above the 48. That's totally fine. Nope. It got rejected out the 48. Let's see. I'm just gonna leave my stop there. It didn't get hit, so it's staying there. I was debating on whether to bring it back where it originally was, but it didn't get hit on this candle. So I'm just gonna leave it right there. We're not even gonna touch it. We're not even gonna touch it. You think it's too tight? Probably. It probably is too tight, but now we're just gonna leave it there because this candle never hit it. I'm fine with that. We're good. So now we have trend thrust green. So now this is where you enter. You got the trade design. You didn't get a break above the 48. So I wouldn't judge you if you don't enter right now because normally I would wait for the break of the 48. But I mean, you have green RSI and a green trend thrust and then Tiny AI giving you a trade design. I mean, it's flickering right now. You can take it with a tight stop. I wouldn't knock you, but the more smarter thing to do is to wait for the break above the 48. We never broke above it. Breaking above the 48 is a lot more better. But so far, so good. So far, so good. Let me guys show you this right here. Uh, oh man, you can't see it? Oh, because I have Super Trend on. Let me take off Super Trend. Up, up. Oh no. Oh no. MACD crossed. So that's another good sign, right? With the MACD cross. And you're in now? Okay, cool. Yeah. I really think I am playing it too tight. I really think I am playing it too tight. Oh, oh shit. Am I gonna get stopped? This thing is fucking around with me. Bro, I didn't get stopped by like one tick, but it's getting rejected off the 48, and I don't like that. 15 is freaking rejection off the 24. Yeah. Um, how much? 15? I got stopped out. That's fine. So if we can come back up, that's one trade down. I have one more trade to go. If yeah, 15 minute. Yeah, it's getting rejected off the 24, but that's okay. I mean, you just have to have a wide stop. You have to have a wide stop. But if I can break right here above the 48 with a candle like opening above it, I'm taking it again. Or unless we get rejected and we get an EMA bounce off the 48 and we get a new trade design, I'm taking that as well. Your stop got hit. Yep. You see what I mean? How on the other time frames, yeah, we're hitting the EMAs there. That's why there's sensitivity on the 5 minute, but do not let that be gospel. And like any new people that are here, don't like only trade the five. Just focus on the five. If you entered here and you have your stop loss and it just hit right now, that's totally fine. As long as you can manage your risk, you're okay. We're getting another trade design here, and we're getting it rejected off the 48. If in the next candle this RSI goes down and we get a trade design, I'm taking that bitch again. That'll be my second trade. Well, I mean, I'm not gonna take it right away, but 20, 36. Let's see what happens. So, nope, not taking that. You gotta stop, Lexi. Yeah. I'm not taking the CMA bounce. Look, the RSI never crossed below. I still haven't got price weakness and we don't got another trade design. So we're only trading trade designs. If this is a trade design that's showing, that's the only one that we're trading. We'll enter again at the break above the 48 and play accordingly. Um, Now that we got this shit out of the way right here, touching the 48, touching the 48, touching the 48, couldn't break. And when if we come back again, this time we're gonna come back even stronger. That's another pattern that I usually see. Say off of predictor level, for example. Like you come and test it, it gets rejected, but then on the second go rounds, it breaks above it. Um, so we still have this trade design, and now it's flashing green again. Once we get a candle break above, opening above, we're entering again because RSI is still above 50. Remember, this is relative strength index. Spear strength is coming. Look, okay, perfect. We're gonna leave spear strength right there. We're gonna forget the RSI unless it rejects off the EMAs, then I'll switch to the additional. But right here, if this can flip the green and break above the 48, we're going in again. We're going in again. But so far, we're still trending up. Unfortunately, if you had your stop loss all the way down here, I mean Bigger. Well, I mean, it's all relative to the size that you play. If you're playing like 1 micro, 2 micros, you could absorb that hit. Playing 5 micros, um, so I'm not gonna let my stop be all the way down here. I'm not. I know that enough breathing room for ES is 6 to 4 points. 4 is tight. 6 more than enough because right here, 52, 29, 50. Oh, that's a good, damn, that's a good like 7 points of risk right there. 7 points of risk would have been hit. 6 is more than enough, dude. 6 is more than enough for MES. You're completely fine if you're trading a 6 point wide stop. That's enough breathing room, bro. Enough breathing room. Because the ES candles, they're not that big. They're really not. They're about 4 to 6 points big. So now we just wait. Let me look at M2K real quick. Fugly. I don't like it. There's not much runway. Let's go to MYM. That shit's just taking off, but there's no trade design there, so I wouldn't have taken it. So today we're focusing on MES. That's what we're focusing on, MES. We keep getting rejected off the 13 and the 24. That's not good. That's not good. Let me switch to traditional. We're still above the moving average, so that's still good. Technically, that's still good. So I mean, now all we have to do is we just gotta wait still. Just gotta wait and be patient because we have pre-market high all the way up here, and we still gotta break the 200. Okay, let's see what happens. So how much did I risk? I risked 4 points. If I enter again here, 22, I'll be getting like around 5 points. So to be profitable, I need like around the 1.8. Let's see what happens. It's getting rejected off the predictive level. Still could not break it. But we still don't have weakness on the RSI. We still don't have that. Let's go back to spear strength. Getting closer to flip the bullish. Let's go back to traditional. Okay, that's not good. That's not good. Okay. So I have my other trade design ready. Don't front run it. Wait for the next trade design. Well, I don't know. Well, I mean, if you're using following super trend, I don't know if you're gonna get another trade design, but um, I'm waiting for this next trade design here, and I'm waiting for this RSI to go down. Let's see what she. Okay, yeah, bro, we're getting rejected off, dude. So can I get a slight little pullback up to here? No, 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 no. Oh, can I get a pullback right there? Right there. I need a pullback right there, and I'm taking it. Um, I'm gonna go ahead. Okay. All right. This is my second trade. No, I don't like that. Fuck. My fault. I fucked up. This is a bad trade. It didn't hold. Damn, we're still bullish, bro. We're just gonna leave it right there. Fuck. This is not a good trade, bro. I didn't take a good trade. I didn't take a good trade. RSI never went below the moving average, and the MACD is still green. This is a bad trade. This is a bad trade right here. Damn, bro. I don't like that shit, bro. Fuck. I don't like that shit, bro. God damn it. We're just gonna thug it out now. Yeah, I hope you guys didn't take a trade. This is not a good trade at all. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. I don't like how the way it fucking looks, bro. I don't like that shit. I didn't get it. If I would have gotten an RSI like below the moving average, I would have feel so much more comfortable taking this play. But I don't know. I feel like I front runned it. I don't like it. I'm not comfortable with it. I'm not. I'm not really comfortable with it. Let me put my wrist down to here to 53.30. Cut some risk off the table. Let's see what happens. We're getting rejected off again, but we have this predictive level right here. Well, I mean, technically we're making another leg down because we have a 1348 cross price coming back to retest the EMAs and then rejected, and then we're getting another leg down. But I don't like this RSI. I don't like that shit, bro. I don't like it. You still might be right. I didn't see the confluence. It's under the moving averages. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. In theory, I'm right. In theory, I'm right. Let's see what this next candle does in 46 seconds. In theory, I'm right. So we got trend thrust red. Technically, yes, I am under confluence. So we're gonna see. I just I'm trying to get better, bro. Um so I critique myself in the plays that I take, and I don't like this play, but we're just gonna thug it out. So my target is 1.8. But I think go short is a way to go today. Maybe. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know. Let's see what happens. There's a predictive level right there. So I'm targeting 1.5. Even if I get 1.8, I would not get 1.5. You see what I mean? That I don't like this play. That's why I move my wrist down. We're not dying fast enough. We're just getting chopped around and we don't have another trade design. So don't think do what the chart says. Do what the chart says. Yeah, you're ready. And the chart's telling me green. You see what I mean? You see what I mean? RSI never went below its moving average. That's a great indicator if you're rejecting off. And it was still slowly trending coming down. So it's a good thing that I moved my stop down to mitigate my losses a bit. Let's see. Oh, this is dead. 2 L's in a row. Chopped out. Can't do shit about it. Can't do nothing about it. Can't do nothing about it. If we break the predicted level, what's the next level? The next level's over here. Or you can use this as a low. but if prices are freezing, it bounced off the predictor level so fast. Yeah, bro. Um, this is not this right here is a good indicator that um we can't go any further down unless this switch is red. We're not going any further down. Let's look at our losses. Hmm. Let's see what happens. Yeah, MACD's flat. Yeah, I don't really think we're gonna go any further down. We failed to 55, 27, 25. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna break that, bro. Let's see what happens. My losses are not they're not too crazy, so I'm good to trade one more. We'll do one more play and then I'll shut this shit down. Why did you enter that trade? Because we had a trade design at the time. When I entered the trade here, the trade design happened and RSI almost went below its moving average and it got rejection off the 48, but the trade design didn't hold. It flashed for like a second. That's when I took that. But obviously it switched back and it didn't hold and I was already in the play and I was right. I wasn't comfortable with the play because it didn't look good enough. Plus the trade design went away. And so that's why I entered the trade. Based off the trade design. So uh that's two stop outs. I'm gonna do one more trade. I'm comfortable enough to do one more trade. And we're below XL. Let's look at your spear strength. Spear strength is still weak, dude. I think your analysis was correct, but it didn't hold 48 break. Yeah. You don't wait for candle close. I do. I do wait for candle close. Majority of the time. I would say 90% of the time, I wait for candle close. But sometimes moves happen so fast, that you have to snipe it. And that's what I did because I saw rejections off the 48. I saw a trade design and I saw RSI dipping down. It was moving fast, so I decided to take that shot. Because you have to be fast, but you have to shoot with confidence. So at that time, that was the 10% where I don't wait for candle close, but 90% of the time I do wait for candle close. All right, Timu, I'm back. Looking for a break below ES orb to go short again. Back from Gabe stream. What's good, everybody? What's good? Welcome back. Welcome back. We got chopped out right here. We got chopped around. So, trade design entered. I moved up my risk, got stopped. Trade design showed right here. I moved on my risk, but RSI never went below its moving average. So I moved my stop down a bit, stopped out. So we're chopping out. So the only way I'll take a trade is if we go back into this trade design and everything flips green. Team will give me back. Take a look at CL. That looked good. What's up, guys? All right, I'll take a look at CL. It did. This went to 1.5 in one candle. That's fucking crazy, bro. Same thing could be said the opposite way. You take a long and this fucking big ass candle will go to the 200. I swear. A lot of you guys are fucking psychotic taking trades on CL. Coming down. Yeah, let me turn on opening range. What's opening range under? Is it under? Okay. That's just definitely respecting opening range. Oh, yes, sir. I mean, damn, that shit's slowly dying. The RSI is flat on the bitch. It's under legends. Yeah, I got it. 2011, man, MES 5 minute respect super trend signal is strong. Just one down signal at the market open and nothing else after a while. Yeah. See, that's why it's a preference, dude. It's a preference. You can have that on. You take like you might not take a trade or one trade and that's it. But then I toggle it off and look at the other opportunities. It's all a preference, dude. But bro, I really don't think we're gonna fucking go down, bro. I really don't think that, bro. Because RSI is refusing to go below its moving average, bro. That shit is like slowly, like a fucking slug trailing up. You haven't grabbed the 7.1 chart yet? You all like it? I have the 7.1 chart, but I just took off super trend and I took off follow trend following setups, and I just have it normal. Uh because I'm a patient with my trades. It's a bit of an adjustment. It takes Elvis so far, but it's more my errors on the chart. Trusting super trend. Yeah, absolutely, bro. So you see what I mean, Moto? That RSI is slowly trending up, slowly, slowly, slowly coming up, slowly, slowly, slowly. So that's the reason why I like watching the traditional RSI because it gives me cues on what the market's doing. Um, and I know, you're looking to retake the long. Oh yeah, bro, I have one more trade. I have one more trade and I'm done for the day. That would be my third trade of the day, and I'm done with that. If it can break above 48 right here, I'm taking that bitch all day, all day. And yeah, let's see. It's going down like the Hawk 2 girl. Spinning that thing. Hawk 2. What's your traditional RSI settings? Nothing, bro. Just switch it to just toggle it on and off. Spear strength and traditional. Let's leave it at spear strength. Let's leave it at spear strength. Um, I what if that's the standard for the RSI? That's what I have. I have it just whatever. I don't touch the settings or anything like that. All right, we're getting some movement. We're getting some movement finally. Finally. All right. Time to trade smarter. Candle close above the 48. And we're taking that shit again. Last trade of the day. Let's see if I can get some of the losses back that I took. If I can be close to break even, I'm good. Why long break after 48? Now wait for the break of 200? Especially today, man. Why go long after break of the 48? Because the candles are going to switch to green. Um, I just scalped the rejection. What rejection? What the fuck did you scalp, Moto? What rejection? Off the 48? I'm waiting on trend following setups trade design. Oh, gamer, so you don't have this trade design showing up at all? You don't. You don't. Moto's gonna do what Moto does, Lexi. Moto's gonna do what Moto does. So we're getting some strength over here. There we go. Tiny eyes green. Is the break of the 200 a safer trade? Absolutely. The break of the 200 is a safer trade because remember, when you're under the 200, you're still biased to go short. Um, I'm just taking the trade at the break of the 48 just to be mindful of the play. Because tiny once it breaks above the 48, it's gonna switch to green. Like right now, and we got green, green, green. Okay. So what do I want to do? We're gonna hold on a bit. We're gonna hold on a bit. There's your move up. Yeah, I got my move up, but not yet. I'm not gonna enter yet. We're gonna wait to see it hold above the 48. We're gonna wait to see it hold above the 48. And if it fucking runs, then oh well. I'll just take the break of the 200. But I want to see a hold of the 48. I'm not getting in until I see a hold of the 48. I don't give a shit if it fucking runs away. I'm on my last trade, so I'm gonna make this shit count. You have two levels though? Yeah, you have this level and that level. But that's okay. This is a more programmer. This is a more riskier trade. The safer trade will be the break of the 200. But I'm okay with taking a risk. Just manage my stop loss, and I'm fine with what it does. So let's see how these next 5 minutes play out. If it holds, I'm going in. If it stays around this area right there. 200 is close. Remember, don't What does FAFO mean again? What does FAFO mean again? Last trade, why risk it? Because I'm following Tiny AI. Remember, I'm submitting to the system. See, I still haven't taken the play. I have to wait for it to hold on the 48. So I really hope you didn't take the trade just because it broke the 48. You have to let that shit hold. Lexi, Lexi, did you take this trade? I please tell me you didn't, bro. Oh, fuck around and find out. Oh yeah, so yeah, I get you. I get you. But obviously right here, I'm not fucking around and find out, so we're still good. We're still good. Yeah. Yeah, well when you're in Lexi, damn Lexi, I hope you have a wide stop, dude. I hope you have a wide stop. You bet. Let's hope if this candle can hold and a new candle can form above the 48, you're fine. You can leave your stop as it is. You're on your last trade, Lexi. Good, good. I'm taking two quick MES short scalps. Hit profit goal for the day. Moto, bro, you trade so fast, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck, Moto? Lexi's ballsier than me. The long isn't ready yet. Yeah, Lexi, the long isn't ready yet. To be honest, bro, I gotta be honest with you, Lexi. It's not ready yet. You should have waited for the hold of it. But I mean, you're already in it, bro. But just learn from your mistakes, dude. Just learn from your mistakes. Because of all of this whack ass price action, I decided to just because it broke doesn't mean I was gonna take it. I wanted to hold because of the wishy washy price action we're having here. I wanted it to hold. So next time, let it break, let it hold. And if it runs away, it runs away. This is not looking good at all. I mean, we still have RSI slowly creeping up. So it's a 48 or then the 200. Yeah, there's a lot of noise there, and there's not enough strength to pop through at all. There's not enough strength to pop through. We shall see. We shall see. Shit got no volume on this candle. No, not enough volatility to fucking pass that shit. Lexi, where do you have your stop? Right here at the trade design stop? Ooh, not looking good. And I probably the RSI is flat as fuck. Yeah, bro. That shit is fucking flat, bro. That shit's flat. Braided EMAs on the 3 minute. You gotta stop. Yeah, bro. You're done, Lexi. You didn't miss out on anything. You're not missing out on anything, bro. Just go home. Just go home. Learn from this mistake, Lexi. Big candle, break a 48, let it hold for the next candle, then enter. But if it just so happens to run away, oh well. Enter again at the 200. Told you, man, not good for a long day today. Aim for short. Let's see, bro. I don't know yet. Anything could happen at this point. Anything can happen at this point, but RSI is slowly moving up on the 30 minute too. So let's see, man. Let's see. Look for a break of XL for short. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna wait for the trade design. If we're getting rejected, but then again, we have this predictive level right here, so we have to wait. I have to gauge it out. I need RSI to go flip the red and nosedive, red, and a red trade design for me to enter short. But then you have this predictive level right here, which it's been respecting. So just a consolidation ass day. What's M2K doing? Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, Lexi, we're still it's going to play reverse Lexi for the day. He's out now. Now a little rip. Maybe. Um Lexi, if you're still here, this is what I'm talking about. Me and Mauro have discussed this many times. When there's a big ass candle break of an EMA, wait for this candle right here, because when a big ass candle forms to like the 200, it's like a rubber band coming straight back at your ass. So here you would have definitely gotten stopped out. You would wait for this to hold, but price is coming down. This is a good example of it. MYM not doing shit. Got a trade design down. So the market's not doing anything. With my luck this week, I believe it. Um, that retest theory is why I take short after it passes a level or EMA. Bro, well, what the fuck do you be doing, bro? I mean, I get it. I get it because it happens a lot of times. But still, okay, we came right back up. All right. Yes, it does rarely breaks and hold on the first try. Yes, you're right. You're right about that. Okay, let's see. We have a predictive level right here. We have a test of opening range. Huh. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. It's testing this predictive level again for the first time. Of course, it's gonna get rejected the first time it touches. And the 200's right there. So, I'm not gonna enter that. We are gonna wait for the break of the 200, guys. Who has an order placed for 200 rejection on MES? So is that a sorry Moto? You were right. Hawk 2 time? Yeah, Moto will give you the Hawk 2 time. Hawk 2! At this point, break of the 200 and safe play in your opinion? I got jumpy. Um yeah. Yeah, bro. I'm taking this Lexi, stick around. So we can test this theory out of the break of the 200. So, shit. If we get a break of the 200 with a big candle, I'll wait to show its strength because, like I said, it's a rubber band. It's going to come right back. But if we can get a smooth break, like a normal size candle break of the 200, I'm getting in there. I'm getting in there. Too late. I took the trade already. Bam! Deep on. Even though if it didn't hit my stop, I'd be up. Deepon, weren't you the one that told me to not take the trade, and then you took the fucking trade? Was that you? Hey, bro, do you get notifications from futures on your phone from Discord when we get a trade design? I don't get them. No, I don't. I don't have it toggled on. So maybe there's a setting on Discord that you can do that. Maybe. I don't know. Um, or you can notify yourself if you have the TradingView app and there's specific tickers that you trade. Just go on Titan AI on the ticker that you trade and then hit the notification there for when you get a new trade design. You can do it through there. Hey Houston, good day, brother. Hope you're having a good trading day. Also, let you know since I was watching channel, I've been a lot more patient. I've been making better trades. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome, bro. You're absolutely welcome, bro. You're absolutely welcome. I was right just early. Got filled on 200 rejection MES. Go to the bell. 2011, you're going short. You decided, yes, I did. I did, programmer. I decided to wait for the break of the 200. We have opening range, we have the predicted level and the 200. And I'm on my last trade. So I'm gonna wait. I have one more shot and I'm gonna make that shit count. I'm gonna make that shit count. Gonna make that shit count. All right. Already free trade now? I mean, dude, you might as well just take the profit, bro. I mean, we're heavily bullish. Look at the MACD. It's separated like a bitch. It's like an alligator coming to fucking chomp you up. I mean, I would fucking take the fucking money. Or if you're gonna take the bread, just at least take the money to the 48 over here. Just my suggestion. Good chance it breaks above. Yeah. Let's look at the spear strength. Yep. Yep. Spear strength is green now. Spear strength is green now. Full confluence using a break of the 200. Absolutely. Yep. We just need a break of the 200, and I need to get some money back, so I'm gonna target this level right here. But then you got pre-market high. Oh, you got pre-market high right there. We'll see. We'll see. This one contract, yes, that's the plan. Oh, you're going to the 48? Let's see what happens. Rejection off the 200, close at the 48. Houston, I did one of your moves this morning, 5 minutes before opening. I traded M&Q and loaded up to the 200. What was one of my moves, Houston? Or are you talking to some or are you talking to 2011? Are you targeting the first level at the 200? Um, nah. I'm probably targeting the second level because I'm trying to get some money back. So I'll just play with my stop. Once we get to this level over here, um, I'll gauge it out. I'll gauge it out and see what happens. So we didn't have enough momentum to break the 200. Yeah. Uh, Still low ass fucking volatility. Yeah. So yeah, I'll gauge it out at the first level, but this ain't looking good. This ain't looking good. There's not enough strength to break. One thing that would have saved you is super trend. Like the super trend indicator on TradingView. The super trend indicator is still red. So it would have helped you take less trades. So if you guys want extra training wheels, you can definitely use super trend as well. You took the profit? Yeah, bro. I'm telling you. There's not that much volatility right now. I would have took the profit too, dude. This price action sucks ass, bro. Is anything else doing anything? No super trend trade design yet? Yeah. You would think it's a way more volatile day, but it's not because of all the data that happens, and the market ain't doing shit. You taught me that last week. I started using that setup, and I got in on the bounce, rolled up to 200, and sold my position. Let me see. Let me see what you're talking about. Houston, right here. Are you talking about to the 200 right here? Oh, it almost hit the 200. Is that what you're talking about, dude? What about Friday? How's my gig going? Oh, it's going straight, dude. I don't do shit there. I'm literally I go there just to back test like all day. I'm like back testing all day. Did that guy complain? Nah. I calmed down his old ass. Now he says hi to me. He's obligated to say hi to me now. Now he's being all nice and shit. Fucking old rich white guy. No offense to old rich white guys that are here on stream, but if you're here on stream, I doubt that you're rich. But yeah, he was just entitled, bro. He screamed at me on my first day of my new job. So if anybody If a person can scream at a new employee on their first day, obviously he's a fucking piece of shit. Obviously. Obviously he's a piece of shit. Well, it's a good thing that I waited to take the trade above the 200. I have started to wait for a 13 EMA test when entering a new trade that allows me for better risk management. Seems like it almost always retests. Oh, so you realized it, Deepon? Low volume Friday and we didn't have pre-market data. Look at every new trade design. Yeah, Deepon, I know. The closer you are to entry on an EMA, the tighter your risk will be because EMAs are a magnet. They attract the price action. Every time there's a 1348 cross, it moves like a wave. It moves like a wave. So 1348 cross, come down to the 13, reject. That's one leg, hit the wave. It only did one leg, probably a second leg right here down, but usually if you enter closer to the 13, your risk is tighter. That's why I like doing EMA bounces off the 13. So this would have been a perfect EMA bounce, but I wouldn't have taken it because there's no trade design. I excels too far. Good shit, Houston. I'm glad I worked out for you. Nothing worked out for me today, but that's okay. I mean, the rest of my week was green, so it's all good. Shoot or shoot, bro. Shoot or shoot. I don't care what happens today. I care what happens in December. But I mean, Price is not doing shit at all. Like the only trade that you'll take is the one up to the 200. Oof, that would have been good. A break of the 15 to the 40. This would have been good right here. That's why I took the ES trade on the second candle. Oh, you're talking about right here? Yeah, the only move that happened today was the opening market move down. That's pretty much it. Oh no. And now we're getting rejected off the opening range. That's not good. Not a 750 candle? Damn. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Well, that's not good. Exited on the 8 candle. So from here to there, what's that? Like a good 6 points around there? Not too shabby. Spear strength is still green though. Oh, you're on Pacific time. Okay. So you're 4 hours back around there. You're 4 hours back around there. I think so, right? I think so, right? That's a good sign. This wick right here, buyer's buying that shit up. Do I stop at 12? Um, yeah. Yeah, bro, I stop at 12. That's my hard cutoff. I only trade morning. I don't trade afternoons. Plus, I mean, I gotta go to my job. I'm still a peasant. I still got a day job, so I got about 40 more minutes. Yeah, so took the 10:50 candle, exited at 11. Oh, from here to there? Yeah, that's a good trade from here to there. YM trying to break the 48. Oh, I trade YM. Oh, nice, bro. Okay. Okay, I can work with that. I can work with that. Let's go to YM. I can work with YM. See what YM does. Yeah, because I'm trading YM. Shout out to Alex for letting me know about YM because I trade YM as well. Let's see if we can get a break and hold. Let's see, go look at M2K real quick. Nothing. All right, I'm sticking here, guys. I'm gonna stick to here. So far, so good. RSI coming down. It's below 50. Red trend thrust, red MACD. We just need a break. And I'm taking that, and that is the last play of the day. So for YM, I have a 24 tick stop. So I have a 6 point stop on YM. I have a 6 point stop on YM. Um, like I said in the morning, I back tested YM for about a week now for a few hours, and so far 6 points. I think it's good. I don't know yet. Okay, I'm going on that shit. Target at 200. We're gonna move it to Tiny AI trailing stop to what is that? Well, actually, well, no, we're gonna leave it right there. MES breaking the 200. Oh well, I'm in YM now, bro. I'm in YM now. So okay, we're gonna leave our stop right there because it's trailing Tiny AI, so we're good. I got in basically at the entry, and I'm trailing Tiny AI. Following the trade design, I got a trade design. Got in at the entry, targeting the 200, and that's it. That's my last and final play of the day. Let's see what she can give me. Not a clean break of the 48. Let's go. Single MES runner, 30 tick stop. God damn. That's a big ass stop. Let me move Tiny Eye. Let me move my stop a bit down. Move it down there. We're going to target the 200, and that's it. And that's going to be our play. Let's see what she does. Give me some back. Give me some of the money back that I lost. And not, it wasn't a clean break of the 48. I mean, the candle turned red, so it looked like it at the time. Let's see. Let's see. I'm down. I'm down for the day. So if I can get my TP hit to the 200, that's good. I'll recover some of my losses. You got in at 39.50.78. All right here, targeting the 200 EMA. Um, I hope you have your wrist tighter, bro. I hope you have your wrist tighter. Come on. Come on. Give me some money back. We're gonna trail it right here. Give me some money back, baby. Come on. I need some of the money from the Chop City that I was in. Um, I am gonna move my stop above this candle right here to almost make it free. 39.593. Boom, right there. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. We're gonna make this shit free, guys. Right? Free trade. Come on, baby. Come on, hit the 200 for me. I'm at break even. This is a free trade right here. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Give me that. Two. Give me, Moto, where you at? Moto, where you at? Give me that Hawk 2. Come on, baby. Hit that 200 for me. Come on. Ah, this thing is just playing with me. Come on, baby. Give me that 200. Move my stop up. Get some profit. That's right. Give it to me, daddy. Pause. Come on, bro. The fucking TP's right there. You fucking bastard. I'm a little bit in profit. I'm spitting. Come on, bro. I need this shit lubricated. Spit some more. Spit some more. Come on! Hit it! Hit it! Can I get a oh yeah? Oh yeah! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's teasing! Come on! Let's go! We got that shit! We got that shit! There we go! Hit it! Uh, mm, mm, mm. That's good trading right there, baby. That's good trading right there. See, that's so bad. I got some of my money back. I got some of my money back from the losses, and that's good. That's good. TTM, that's right. Take the money. Take the money. Saw 200, target 200. I'm out of there, baby. Good shit, man. Appreciated the guy. Now that's what smooth price action looks like right there. And this is why, let's see what MES is doing. But this is why I decided to switch to other tickers, um, so I can enter other trades and not just wait all day for one. MES, not doing shit. See, this is why I back tested M2K and MYM and put that in my tool bag so I can trade other instruments and be comfortable with it. Wasn't doing shit, and it's still not gonna do shit at all. So flip the switch somewhere else, baby, and we're good. Look at M2K, not doing shit either, but it's rejection and coming down. Nice trade, my guy. Appreciate it, E. Appreciate it. Shout out to Alex Sullivan for letting me know about MYM because I was just watching MES. So thank you for that. Thank you for that play. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have recovered some money back. So it's all good. It's all good. Okay. Well, that's about it. I had my third and final trade, and I made that bitch count. I made that bitch count. I made it count. ES trade coming down. Yeah, it's following M2K right here. M2K is not moving shit though. Oh, we got rejection off the 200. Break of XL. New trade design? Maybe? Yes, sir. Anytime. That's right, Alex. New trade design? Maybe? Are you guys gonna take it? I wouldn't take it, dog, to be honest with you. If I get a new trade design, I mean, bro, it's not MES is not moving, bro, and we're getting close to lunchtime. I would call that shit quits and come back to power hour, dog. I mean, just my opinion, bro. Even if you got rejection off the 200, that's clear news of rejection going down, but I wouldn't take that shit, bro. We're just chopping around opening range. Chop around opening range. Let's see. We got 15 seconds. Let's see what this candle does. I still wouldn't think it would even give a new trade design because trend thrust is not even red. Glad you did not take that trade on MES. Yeah, bro. Me too. Yeah, I'm out. That orb or a wall. Yeah, the orb's a fucking wall today, bro. Anything in this area right here, from here to here, in this range, nothing to trade. Clearly, nothing to trade until we break right here and we have close enough EMA action to here. I'll take that trade. But in this area, forget about that shit, bro. Just go on with your day. It's not doing nothing. There's no point of wasting your hard-earned capital on a fugazi ass fucking trade design. Not doing shit. Just come back Monday, bro. Just come back Monday. Like I said in the beginning, be smarter about your plays. If you're gonna take it, you better fucking make sure that you're taking an intelligent trade. You better make sure. So yeah, not doing shit. All right, bro. I'm gonna go get some Chipotle because I'm hungry as fuck. It's 11:31. I haven't eaten shit. Oh, look, MES is dropping. But yeah, I'm gonna go to Chipotle. I'm gonna get Chipotle. I get one tortilla on the side to make my own burrito, a bowl, double chicken al pastor, double peppers, everything on it, hot sauce in that bitch. It's delicious. Delicious. All right, guys. I hope you guys are green for the day. I know a lot of us got chopped around, so I hope you got some money back. And whoever made money, congratulations. The guy, enjoy your day. All right, gamer, peace out. See you guys Monday. We're coming back strong because at 3 o'clock I'm gonna back test for fucking 9 hours straight. I'm better than who I was on Monday. So next week, Friday, I'm gonna be better than the person that I am now. Bro, there go your daily gains. For real, bro. So, well, I use the Chipotle app, so I have points, so I can get some double protein off. All right, y'all. Peace out. Have an amazing week.